Hello friends! Today we're making lemon fritters, cooked with kefir. They turn out tender, soft and beautifully fragrant with a fresh lemon aroma. First, crack 2 eggs. Transfer them to a deep bowl. I've already checked, they're good quality. Add half a teaspoon of salt. We add 2 tablespoons of sugar. It gives the pancakes a pleasant sweetness, helps them brown beautifully and adds great flavor with a golden crust. You can replace it with a sweetener and adjust it to your taste. Mix well until the salt and sugar dissolve. Add 300 grams of kefir. I slightly warm it in the microwave until just warm. If the kefir separates a little, that's completely fine. Pour in 50 milliliters of vegetable oil. We'll need about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, grate it finely. Cut half of a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Add 3 tablespoons of potato starch. You can replace it with cornstarch if you prefer. Take 280 grams of flour, add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and sift everything together. I add all the flour at once because I already know the amount I need. If you're making this recipe for the first time, add the flour gradually. You may need a little less or a little more. Focus on the consistency. The batter should be fairly thick. Transfer the batter to a piping bag. Pour about 60 milliliters of neutral vegetable oil into a well-heated frying pan. Using the piping bag, pipe small fritters into the pan. Cook over low to medium heat so the fritters have time to brown nicely and cook through without burning. Once they're golden on one side, gently flip them over and cook on the other side. The lemon fritters turn out soft, airy and very aromatic with a light citrus freshness. Transfer the cooked fritters to a plate lined with paper towels to remove excess oil. Cook all the remaining batter the same way. They are golden on the outside, tender inside and perfect with tea or morning coffee. Watch my other videos. They're just as tasty and interesting. Leave a comment. I always read and reply. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more homemade baking ideas. Enjoy your meal! Bye-bye!